The World Shakespeare Festival 2026. Craiova, Romania. One of the most prestigious theatre festivals on the global calendar. KIIT and KISS will be there. A delegation of 20 students, 10 from KIIT and 10 from KISS, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, selected under the Erasmus Plus KA171 Student Mobility Program, will perform 3 Shakespearean classics, Romeo and Juliet, Hamlet, and Macbeth, adapted and performed entirely in Santhali, a language, a script, a culture rooted in the soil of Odisha. Odisha has long been home to one of India's richest indigenous traditions. Under the vision of founder Dr. Achyuta Samantha, KIIT and KISS have spent decades building platforms for tribal students in education, in sports, in arts, and now on the world stage of performing arts. Each student travels with a fully funded Erasmus grant, covering airfare, accommodation, and living expenses for the full 2-month program. A structured internship, jointly designed with the University of Craiova and the National Theatre of Romania. This performance also marks 100 years of the Old Chiki script, the writing system of the Santhali language, being formally recognized. A milestone, celebrated not in a classroom, but at an international festival in front of the world. It is a moment of great honor for all of us that the Santhali language will be presented on an international stage, and our tribal students of KISS will perform these plays on a foreign land.